Hey cryptocurrency market, it's Denny Lovejoy, your favorite blockchain tutorial Jedi Master, and in this video I'm sharing with you how to set up a Wanchain wallet. So the first step here is to find the correct domain name, so I'll show you how I do that. And what you're going to want to do is go to your browser and search coinmarketcap.com. And on this list here, you're going to want to go ahead and scroll down until you find Wanchain. So I see it right here. I'm going to go ahead and click that. And I'm going to scroll down a little bit so I could click on this website right here. And I'll click that. So it directs me to wanchain.org. Go ahead and search that if you want to. However, just make sure you don't misspell anything and verify it's connected to a HTTPS website. And also verify it's secure by checking if it has a green padlock right here on the top saying it's a secure connection. So it is a good website. And the second way we could find their website is to go on their Twitter profile. So I'll show you how I do that. I'm gonna go back to CoinMarketCap here and scroll down under Wanchain, and next to charts and markets there's a social button. You're gonna go ahead and click that and then scroll down, and as you can see here it directs us to their Twitter profile, which is wanchain_org. I'm gonna go ahead and click that and it directs us to their Twitter. They have 111,000 followers. If you scroll down at their bio here, they're linking out to wanchain.org. So I'll go ahead and click that. And as you can see, it redirects us back to wanchain.org. So this is the official website. I'm gonna go ahead and exit out of this along with their Twitter, and I no longer need CoinMarketCap anymore. So this leads us to step number 2, which is to choose the correct wallet. And the way you want to do that is on this website, you're going to go ahead and click products right here. And as you can see, it says Wan Wallet, transfer your assets with privacy protection. There's 2 options to download, the first version and the second version. We're definitely going to choose the updated version for this video. And they have a Windows option, Mac, and Linux. However, before we download anything, I do want to let you know that this Wan Wallet is the official wallet, highly recommended for everyone, and it's developed and maintained by the core Wanchain development team. So this is a safe wallet to use, and we're going to go ahead and start downloading it, which is step number 3, download the wallet. And at this point in the video, go ahead and choose the appropriate download for you. For me, I'm going to go ahead and choose Mac, but continue following along with me in this video. So choose the version you need, and then it says here the terms and conditions. Go ahead and pause the video now to read this entire thing, and once you're done, continue playing the video. So great, now that you're done reading this, go ahead and click Got It here, and it starts downloading something on the bottom here, and it says it's going to take about 30 seconds to download. So feel free to pause the video once more and continue the video once it's done downloading for you. So while it's downloading, might as well check out their team really quick. If you click team here on the top, you get a chance to see who are the founders and vice presidents, and you get to see their entire development team and all the people that work for Wanchain. So it does look like they have a huge team, and that's good to know. That just means that there's a lot of, smart people working on this project. And yeah, I just wanted to show you that really quick before we download this. Okay, great. So now that it's done downloading, we're going to move on to step number 4, which is to install the wallet. And all you have to do is click this download button here on the bottom left. So go ahead and click that so it could start opening. And I'm going to exit out of this and hide this. It gets sent to my downloads, and as you can see here, it's under my Finder app, under downloads, and it says Wan Wallet GUI right here. What I'm gonna do is right click it and then click open, and I could hide this for now, and it's gonna start opening now. Okay, so it's saying, are you sure you want to open it? And it says open here. We're gonna go ahead and click that. And here it is uploading right now. Okay, so it looks like it's syncing now, and it looks like it's gonna take a while to sync. However, it does look like they have a button here that says launch application. I'm gonna go ahead and test that and see what happens. And here it is. This is what the wallet looks like. So on the top, it says that it's still syncing, and under it, it says accounts overview and that I have no accounts yet. It says you need to create at least one account with a strong password. On the top right here, it says create account. Go ahead and click that. And it's saying, important, your password is no longer changeable once account is created. Okay, so go ahead and choose a account name. And as far as the password goes, on our team, we use password managers. We specifically use keepass.info, and that's spelled KEEPASS.info. And that's a free and open source password manager that we use to store all our accounts and passwords, especially for our crypto accounts. So go ahead and get your password from your password manager, and it's gonna auto-generate a very strong password for you, which you could copy and paste into here. And once you do that, you could click enter. So go ahead and copy and paste your password from your password manager into here, and then click password reminder. And then you could put a prompt here. So you could put KeyPass, for example. Again, to create the account, all you have to do is choose a name and then get your password from your password manager and copy and paste that into here. You could choose a prompt to remind you what your password is, and then all you have to do is click OK. And as you can see here, it says make sure you back up your key files and password, and you could find your key files folder using your main file, then go to backup, go to accounts, and then keep a copy of the key store folder where you can't lose it. And then you're gonna click done, and voila, here's an account created. This is the public address right here, which I can copy and paste. And this is the private address, which I could also copy and paste, along with the balance right here. So there's also details. I could go into details and see the transaction histories. And on the top here, there's a cross-chain button. And it says here, Ethereum accounts overview and history of ETH and cross-chain transactions. There's a contracts button up here, which says custom tokens, Wanchain Ethereum cross-chain token. And then there's a button to watch tokens. And that looks about it for this Wanchain wallet. In this video, I am not sharing with you how to send, receive, backup, protect, or even update the wallet. I just wanted to show you how to download and install it and show you around a little bit, along with creating an account. There is one more step that I wanted to show you though, which is to verify that you can open and close the wallet. So I'll go ahead and show you how I do that right now. So I'm gonna drag my screen to the top left here, and I'm gonna open up this wallet here, and on the top it says Wan Wallet GUI. I'm gonna go ahead and click that and then click quit, and it disappears here. What I'm gonna do to reopen it is go to my Finder, go to downloads, and then find Wan Wallet GUI here. I'm gonna right click it and then click open, and then wait for it to open up again. So I'll minimize that, and as you can see here, it's starting to upload again. And like before, it's gonna take some time to download all the blocks and sync up. So I'm just gonna choose launch application here. Keep in mind that you do want to wait for it to sync before actually sending and receiving the Wanchain token. However, this is the account, and that actually wraps up my video. So great, you successfully downloaded and installed the Wanchain wallet, and that concludes my video. If you like watching these blockchain tutorials, get the cryptocurrency investing blueprint. You could learn more at cryptocurrency.market/blueprint, and you could get 10% off using my promo code DENNI2018. That's spelled DENNI. Look at the display address on the screen and take a screenshot, or check out the links below. And be sure to follow our team on Twitter. You could find my handle at DennyLovejoy. And thank you so much for watching this blockchain tutorial on how to set up a Wanchain wallet. If you have any comments or suggestions for future videos, leave me a comment below or send me a message on Twitter. Thanks again for watching. Have a terrific day, and I'll see you on the next blockchain tutorial.